Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we talk all things online business, entrepreneurship, and making money. I'm your host, Empo, and today we're diving into a topic that's buzzing across the internet, CPA marketing. That's cost per action marketing, for those of you who are new to this. And trust me, it's not as boring as it sounds. In fact, it could be your ticket to financial freedom. So, buckle up, because this is going to be a fun ride. All right, let's start with the basics. What is CPA marketing? CPA stands for cost per action, which means you get paid when someone takes a specific action after clicking your affiliate link. This action could be filling out a form, signing up for a newsletter, making a purchase, or even just downloading an app. It's different from traditional affiliate marketing, where you only get paid when someone buys something. CPA gives you more flexibility and a wider range of opportunities to earn. Sounds good, right? Let's say you're promoting a fitness app. If someone clicks your link and downloads the app, cha-ching, you get paid. Or maybe you're promoting an online course and someone signs up for the newsletter, boom, that's another commission. The key is finding the right offers that align with your audience's interests, and that's what we're going to talk about next. So, you're ready to dive into CPA marketing? Awesome. The first step is to join a CPA network. These networks connect you with advertisers who have offers you can promote. Some popular networks are Max Bounty, Peerfly, and CJ Affiliate. But be careful. Not all networks are created equal. Look for networks with a good reputation, reliable payment history, and a variety of offers to choose from. Once you've joined a network, it's time to pick your niche. This is where you need to think about your audience. Are they into fitness, tech, finance, travel, or something else? Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise. That way, promoting offers will feel more natural and you'll be able to create engaging content. Now that you have your niche, start creating content that resonates with your audience. This could be blog posts, YouTube videos, social media content, or even email newsletters. The goal is to provide value to your audience while subtly promoting CPA offers. You don't want to come across as too salesy, or you'll turn people off. Tips and tricks for success in CPA marketing. All right, let's get into some pro tips to help you succeed in CPA marketing. These are the tricks of the trade that will set you apart from the competition. Ready? Let's go. Tip number 1, test and optimize. Not every offer will be a hit, and that's okay. The key is to test different offers, track your results, and optimize based on what's working. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your traffic sources and conversion rates. Tip number 2, build a strong relationship with your CPA network. Get to know your affiliate manager. They can provide valuable insights, early access to offers, and even higher commissions. Remember, you're in this for the long haul, so building a good relationship is crucial. Tip number 3, create compelling content. This is where you can get creative. Use storytelling, humor, and personal experiences to engage your audience. People love stories, and if you can connect with them on an emotional level, they're more likely to take action. Tip number 4, use multiple traffic sources. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Each platform has its own audience and potential for growth. By diversifying, you'll increase your chances of success. Before we wrap up, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid in CPA marketing. Trust me, I've made a few of these myself, and I want to help you steer clear of them. Mistake number 1, ignoring compliance. CPA networks have strict rules about how you promote their offers. Make sure you read and understand the guidelines. Violating them could get you banned from the network, and that's no fun. Mistake number 2, using clickbait or misleading tactics. You want to build trust with your audience, not trick them. Be honest about what you're promoting, and don't make false promises. It's better to have fewer conversions with a solid reputation than a lot of conversions from shady tactics. Mistake number 3, not tracking your results. If you don't track, you won't know what's working and what's not. Use tracking tools to monitor your campaigns and be prepared to adjust your strategy if needed. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this deep dive into CPA marketing. It's a fantastic way to earn passive income, but like anything, it takes time and effort to get it right. Remember, it's all about providing value, building relationships, and having fun along the way. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.